Welcome. In front of me I have the Honor Magic V6, and today I will show you how you can put this device into safe mode. So, to get started, we will first need to turn off our device, and we can just swipe down from the top right side. This will show us the power button. Click on it and choose power off. Now, I do recommend opening it, as our recovery mode will be showing up only on the inside display, and it will tell us to open up the device anyways if we don't have it open. So with that in mind, once it's open, we can press the power button and volume up at the same time. And hold them, you'll see Honor logo, at which point you can let go of the power button but keep holding volume up, and this should bring us to recovery mode. Now in here, because we're looking for safe mode, we want to select the last option. Now you can do this by just tapping on it or using volume buttons. I think tapping on it will be just much easier, and this will reboot the device and bring us into safe mode. So you can see we are now in safe mode, and once we unlock our device, you will be able to see that there's some weirdness happening. So we have missing applications right here and here, and the reason they're missing is because these applications that were in this area were not essential to the system. So the way they're kind of defined is or the way to quickly define which application would that be: apps that came pre-installed with your device out of the box without needing internet connection will be the ones that are part of the system. Any application that is downloaded with the use of internet by you or the device itself, even throughout the setup, will basically disappear from your view in this mode. This is done so if you have some kind of problem with some kind of application, you can put it into safe mode and that application wouldn't be able to cause you any more problems. The idea here is that these applications that come with the device are already set, so they shouldn't give you any problems. And in addition, maybe if you're an app developer and you created some kind of application that is causing you problems and you can't solve it, you could put it in here, and this would basically allow you to fix that application. But in any case, once you're done using this mode for troubleshooting purposes or whatever other purpose you had, you can go back to the normal mode by finding the power button once more, and this time around selecting restart. This will reboot the device and bring us back to normal mode. Now once we do get back to normal mode, there's one last thing that I want to mention, but let's just wait. Okay, and as you can see, we're now back up. There we go. And the thing that I wanted to mention is that when you enter the safe mode, your device will automatically enter airplane mode, which you can see is right here. Now we also are not any longer in safe mode, yet airplane mode is still here. So it is smart enough to turn it on automatically for some reason, but not smart enough to turn it off automatically when you're out of the mode. So you need to do this yourself by swiping down from the top right side of your screen and finding this icon somewhere. If you don't see it anywhere, you will need to add it by clicking right here and then click on Add Tile, and it should be visible somewhere in here, the green plus. So you would click on it, or get at it, and then just click on the check mark twice, and you should have access to it in this list. And just tap on it, and will enable your mobile data, your Wi-Fi, and connect you to your cellular data. So there we go. Now, with that being said, I hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.